Hey y'all, welcome back again. So today I want to talk about preservation even more. Um, this one is more of a situation. It's a preference thing, right? So I caught one of these, which is a food saver, and I got it from Walmart. I think it was no more than like $80. And if you want to, you can always get like a attachment to it to do like dry canning and stuff. But that's not what this is about. This is about this, right? So you get you some bags too while you there, or you can, if you want to order them in bulk, you can go to Amazon or something like that. Whatever it is you want to do. Now, I will be doing a video on how I use it. I think I already have one, but anyway, this helps preserve your meats while it's in the freezer. You can go ahead and like put the little labels on them up here. Also, um, if you have like certain cooked foods you want to preserve, you can freeze them. That's great for meal prep. Also, if you have like breakfast sandwiches that you pre-make, pancakes, bacon, you can seal them if you don't want to put them into like individual storage containers to preserve space in your freezer. So again, food saver bomb.com. You don't have to worry about your food being all frostbitten and toe up. It's easy to grab out of there. We not freezing them no more in the packages, ladies. We food saving. All right. If this was helpful, hit that like button. Follow, subscribe for more.